back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add a blurry background to your videos on the CapCut browser. So for instance, you have this video right here. Just going to resize it to just show you the background later. For instance, you resize it like the small and you want to have like a blur sort of background surrounding these sides. So just click on the video, you have to select it, go to background, and then as you can see there isn't a blur one here, but you have to actually click the options and then choose blur, and then you can choose from these 4 options. You have this one, and to the right it makes it more blurry. So maybe choose like the first one if you don't want it to blur that much, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!